Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to app clone on the Samsung Galaxy A23. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Dual Messenger. This feature is what allows you to clone apps on your Samsung phone. It's super helpful if you want to run 2 accounts on apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram simultaneously. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Dual Messenger option in the search results and tap on it. Then tap again to open the settings for Dual Messenger. Step 5. For the last and most important step, you'll see a list of apps that support cloning. Find the app you want to clone, for example WhatsApp or Facebook, and toggle the switch next to it to turn on the cloning feature. A prompt will appear asking you to install the second version of the app. Tap Install to proceed. Step 6. Once the app has been cloned, you'll now see 2 icons for the app on your home screen. One will be the original, and the other will be the cloned version. You can set up the second version with a different account and use both simultaneously. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.